Hi guys, Ivan Curtin here from We Love Parquet. Now the third methodology that we will use is actually using one of these. Now this is a spray mop from Bona. You can get these as refills. This thing actually is a microfiber mop and it comes off. Okay, so you can throw it in the wash. Now the thing with these products is they don't actually put too much water or moisture onto the floor, which is why they're very important to use. If you've got a cleaner who wet mops the floor, in other words, they put a residue of moisture over the floor and then they let that evaporate, that can actually degrade a floor finish over time, because what happens is the moisture will get in between the joints and it will actually degrade the finish, change the color of the wood in the end joints. So you don't want to do that. You always want to dry mop the floor. Now there's a fourth method. So we've covered vacuuming, sweeping, mopping. There's a fourth method, and I'm going to show you that. But that's really only to be used when you have a wood floor in a kitchen.